A triangle has an angle measuring 40 degrees, a 6 centimeter side opposite the 40-degree angle, and another side that is 8 centimeters long. How many unique triangles can be drawn to fit this description? It's either more than one, exactly one, or no triangle. So pause this video, have a go at it before we do it together. Okay, well, I'm just going to see how many triangles I can draw. So let's see. If we have a triangle, well, I'm going to do a 6 centimeter side here. Let's say that this right over here is 6 centimeters. We'll just assume everything's in centimeters, actually. And let's see, it has another side that is 8 centimeters. So I'm going to try to draw it to scale, but it's not going to be perfectly at scale. So if that is 6, 8 centimeters might be something like this. So this is the 8 centimeter side. And then there is this angle right over here that they're telling us is an angle measuring 40 degrees. And they said that the 6 centimeters is opposite the 40-degree angle. So I already know that I can construct this triangle. In fact, it seems very reasonable. It's not that one side is longer than the sum of the other sides, or somehow that all of my angles would have to add up to more than 180 degrees, which is impossible. So this could be a very reasonable angle, a very reasonable triangle. I don't know what this last side is, but I can definitely rule out no triangle. So let me see if I can think of another way to draw a different triangle. So I'm going to open it up even more. So something like this, and a 40-degree angle, and I'm just sketching it right here. So this right over here, this could still be a 40-degree angle. This could still be an 8 side. I've already drawn two different scenarios. One where I have an acute angle here, one where I have an obtuse angle here. But in either case, I could have the 40-degree angle or the 6 centimeter side be opposite the 40-degree angle. So I like more than one triangle.